Here's update 9 on State Street, and we're nearing the end of this project. Both corners of the highway on-ramp are being redone with smaller curb radii, new pedestrian ramps, and the bike lane crossing. Here's where the new northbound bike lane will go. The curb is set and the base material is in place, just waiting for the paving. Check out this funky detail on the curb. This manhole was directly in the way of the new curb line, so instead of having to relocate an underground electric vault, the curb just jogs around it. But the main feature of this update is the Audubon St intersection. The new rectangular rapid flashing beacons have been installed, which will look like this, so that means it's time for the old traffic signal at Audubon St to be removed. For a more detailed look at the removal, check out my YouTube video about it. The signal heads and mast arms came down, but we're leaving the vertical poles because they have street lighting on top of them. It's always amazing how much bigger traffic signals look in person when they're on the ground.